Hi, I'm testing the new DJI Mic 3 while shooting Park Royal Resort Penang for an architect. I will walk you through my thought process of my first shot as I go. I've been tasked by the architect to match their 3D rendering as close as possible. And knowing the resort pretty well, I've decided to shoot this veranda first thing in the morning, leveraging the morning light that shines through the foliage, further emphasizing the biophilic design intent. Now, here's the first issue that I've encountered. I've opted to shoot at the first spot by the pillar, highlighting the double volume archway. But from the rendering, we can clearly see that the client prefers a tiled ceiling texture compared to the plain double volume ceiling. This means that I have to figure out a way to shoot underneath the tiled ceiling and also include the arch together. Using a tilt shift lens, I was able to squeeze in the right composition, matching the rendering closely straight out of the camera. Notice how much cleaner the image is at the end without needing to retouch out the curves. That's a quick look at how I deal with on-site challenges during a hotel shoot, and also a good test for this mic. Thank you.